Welcome to Afaan Oromoo, or the language of Oromoo learning. Today we start from Qubee Afaan Oromoo or Oromoo alphabet. Here it is Qubee Afaan Oromoo or the Oromoo alphabet. Just like the English alphabet, we Oromo have the same division of the alphabet, such as capital letters or uppercase and small letters or lowercase. We say Qubee gugurda for the capital letters and we say Qubee xixiqqaa for the small letters. Qubee Afaan Oromoo or the Oromo alphabet. Qubee gugurda, which means capital letters or uppercase. Qubee xixiqqaa, which means small letters or lowercase. Qubee dubbifamaa, which means consonants. Qubee dubbachiiftuu, which means vowels. Here it is Qubee Afaan Oromoo or the Oromoo alphabet. A, ba, cha, da, e, fa, ga, ha, i, ja, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ka, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ta, ya, za, In addition to the entire 26-letter English alphabet, we Oromo have 5 special double letters such CH, which gives cha sound, DH, which gives da sound, NY, which gives nya sound, PH, which gives pa sound, and SH, which gives sha sound. These double letters are called Qubee dachaa in Afaan Oromoo. Cha, da, nya, pa, and sha. In Afaan Oromoo or the Oromo alphabet, letters like V, P, and Z are borrowed letters. These letters are called Qubee Ergisaa in Afaan Oromoo. It is all about for today. I'm Daniel Barisoo Areerii. See you next time. Bye bye.